ensure that the quantity of butter at the edge is more, because that's the corner. When you're done with this process, you get your baking paper. You'd also attach this to your pan. You take the measurements with the pan, turn this upside down, get your marker. You can use a pen if you want, or a pencil. You take the measurement, draw around. You have to be careful. Good. Once you've taken that measurement, you get your scissors, then you cut it out carefully. Alright, presto. So after this, you get this directly into the pan. Fit it in carefully. Let it stick on the base of the pan.